Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Clash Royale login error. First, you need to check your internet connection. If your internet are not connecting, then connect to your internet. That's not work, then switch your Wi-Fi to data to Wi-Fi. And it is still not working, then turn on airplane mode for few seconds and turn it off. If that works, that's good. If that doesn't, then you also check the any update available for the app or not. If you are Android user, go to the Play Store. If you are iPhone user, then go to the App Store and search for the looking app. After all doing this, if you see there update are available, then update it and check your app working or not. Check your app and it is still not working, then go to your device setting and go to the app management or cache. Then go to the app list and search for the app name. Then if you see there storage and cache, then go to the storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. Sometime your storage also might be problem for the app. When your storage are full, it also the problem. Then you also do the clear storage if you want to. Then reopen your app and check it again. It works. That's good. If it doesn't work, then you need to wait for few seconds. And sometimes there are problem for maintenance, break or game updating, and it is still not working, then you may also ask help for the Clash Royale support team and wait for a few seconds. After all doing this, it is still not working, then you also restart your device and reopen the app and check it again. That's it. That's how you can fix your Clash Royale login error. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys are liked it. Video helps you. Then do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.